quick heat-shrinkable solder. Basically, you clean the wire with side cutters, approximately anywhere up to 5 to 10 millimeters. You take, it's a special solder heat shrink. You slide it over. You take another one, and you do not require a soldering iron in order to be able to shrink it properly. If you look at it, you will see it now. It will melt the solder. Okay, it takes a few seconds. Voila! There we go. And it is done. It has made a solid joint with solder. Now, of course, to make it a bit prettier, we take another piece which now shrinks right over the joint. And voila! There you go. It's a proper solder joint. Available, of course, at Batos Radio and TV. Easy to use in an emergency where you don't have electricity or any means of using a soldering iron. That was a quick demo, and I hope you find it useful. Thank you.